Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make this commercial building, mixed-use building, department store with central park like this. So you can see about the tutorial from start until finish to get a lot of advantage about this tutorial and design tips and design solution about the building and also about the landscape and just a little bit circulation. Okay, let's watch. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with plane with the dimension with any size. We can use a rotated rectangle here. Then we can click from this position and we can set the size of the building for the depth of this building around 20 meter for the depth. Then we can set for the length of this building around 45 meter. Okay, it's just an example, so you can explore for the dimension here, and we have to give a thickness of it with using the thickness is around 1.7 meter. Okay, this is about the thickness. Okay, and I will show you about the dimension. Okay, this is about the thickness, and this is about the length and depth about this building. Okay, so you can see here, okay, the thickness is around 1.7, the depth is around 20 meter, and the length of the width of this building around 45 meter. Okay, and I will erase it to make it simple. Okay, then now we have to make the outside the building. We have to make the envelopes. We have to make the building envelopes of it. We can use the line here and click from here, and you can follow me and click there. So you have to click 1 2 3 4 points, and then you can triple click of that line, and then you can offset it outside. Okay, you can offset it outside around approximately around 6 meter. Okay, you can offset it, and then you can close for every single line over there. Start from this point to this point, and you can click from this point to this point, and then you can clear the unnecessary line over there. Okay, and so you can get the plane. So you can get this plane. This function of this plane is to make the envelopes, to make the main central envelopes of this building anyway. Okay, then now we can make the tape measure tool. Start from click from here until this position, and we can click from this set point until to the right around 5 meter, from this point until 5 meter. Then okay, well, and then we can click the another line with tape measure tool. Okay, we can click from here, and we can click from here to this position, and also the right side. We can click start from here to this position. Okay, so we can get this tape measure tool with a guideline position of it, and then we can now make the shape of this outline, and we can make the another variation about it approximately in this position. Okay, approximately this position, and then we can also make the another direction here. We can make it around 2 meter, and we can make 2 meter. Okay, we can click until this position around 7 meter, or maybe more. It's around 9 meter. Okay, well, okay, approximately just like this. So we can try to make the line over there with using this 2-point arc. We can use the 2-point arc. and we can click from here to this position. You can click from here to this position. Okay, well, then we can try to make the curve here. We can make the curve here, but I mean we have to make the another guideline again over there, around 6 meter and 6 meter from here. Okay, well, then we can get this and we can try to make the wavy curve pattern over there. We can make the wavy curve pattern. We can try to make this 2-point arc. Okay, then we can make it all, or maybe we can make this one. Okay, maybe we can make this one, triple click, and we can click and make it also. Okay, well, we got it. Then we can make the curvy. We can make the smooth curvy here in the center with 2-point arc also. Click from this point until this point, until we get the magenta line over there, and then we can double click over there, and then we can get the smooth. We can get the smooth line of this position. Then we can now make the line here. We can now make the line here with 2-point arc again, and click from this position until this position. Okay, well, and then we can click this position until this position. Well, then we can make the another guideline again with using tape measure tool again. Click from here until this position around around 5 meter. Okay, well, we can make the click from here in this from this point until this point. Okay, well, and then we can also click from this point until this point. Okay, click from this point till this point. Okay, well, then we can get this wavy, and now we can make approximately to this position. I'm sorry. Maybe we can try it again to click from here until this position only. Okay, well, then we can click from this position until this position. Okay, well, and then we can erase it again. Then we can click from this point until this point. Okay, well, then we can do it again. Click from this point to this point. Okay, well, now we get the wavy shape of every single floor. Then we can now delete for unnecessary plane over there. We can click this plane. This is unnecessary plane, and this is unnecessary plane also. And then we can erase it all. Right click, erase, and we can click this unnecessary line, and we can click this unnecessary line over there and erase, and we can erase it also. So we get this plane. We get this smooth curvy plane with wavy action, with wavy shape of this plane. And now we can make the we can simulate first. For set up the floor to floor, for floor to ceiling, I mean. Okay, this is about the floor, and we can make it component create. So again, we click and select move and press Ctrl, move to the top, and we can set the floor to ceiling of every single floor, especially for the first floor until the another typical floor around 3.2 meter only. Okay, because it's only about the residential. I mean, the residential is not too high, or maybe you can make not add more height around 300 millimeter. So the floor to floor is around. Okay, so the floor to floor is around 3.5 meter. Floor to ceiling is around 3.5 meter. Okay, and for the floor to floor it's around 5.2 meter. Okay, well, then now we can click here. Okay, I mean, before we make the shape, we have to move it, make sure it on the middle. Okay, then we have to delete some unnecessary line over there, and then we can delete some unnecessary line again. I mean, it was a little glitch here, and now we have to make it in the middle of every single slab over there. Then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up for this plane until the middle of the upper floor slab with using push, and click the plane, and then we can click this one. Okay, well, because we have to duplicate it from the middle of the slab for every single floor, then now we can triple click, right click, and make group, and then we can check that it's about the solid group anyway. Okay, well, now we can make the another element over there. I mean, we have to make another we can make another wall here. We can make another wall with using the rectangle. Start from here until this position, and then we can click this position, and then we have to push it to the front around approximately 1.5 meter only. Well, and we can also make another smooth design. We can also make another smooth combination over there with using 2-point arc. Click from here until maybe around this position. Okay, and then we can make it smooth than before. Okay, then we can erase it. Okay, and then we can also click and push it down until here, and actually we can just push it to the middle. We can push it to the middle, triple click, right click, make group, and we can move, control, place on this. We can click and select mirror, and then we can click in this position, and then we can press plus and enter. Okay, so we can move for the duplication of it. Okay, we can move the duplication of it, and then we can move it until here, and also we can click the both of this object, and we can select outer cell. Okay, we can click outer cell. Okay, and then it will be a combined object. Okay, well, okay, then we have to make this combined object. With click this shape, and we can click this shape, then we can select outer cell, so it will be a solid group also. Okay, so it will be a solid group. Okay, it still be solid group. Okay, well, now we can make the middle. We can make the middle tape measure tool. Click from here until the middle. Okay, we can click the tape measure tool. Okay, we can click tape measure tool. Click this one, and then we can click this one. Okay, well, it's on the middle, and now we can duplicate this. We can duplicate this guideline, and we can duplicate this guideline also. Okay, well, now we can make the another variation. Okay, now we can make the variation of it with using line. We can duplicate again for this guideline. We can click until the outer, until this outer, okay, until this outer position, and we can click until this position and click this position. Okay, well, now we can make the shape of it with using rectangle first. Okay, well, make group, and then we can draw the sorry, we have to scale it first. Okay, now we can draw the line approximately about it, and approximately about it, or maybe, I'm sorry, from the corner until this position, and from the corner until this position approximately, and we can draw line here, and we can make the curvy, and make the curvy also. Okay, well, now we can make the line over there. Okay, well, so okay, we can get the plane, and we have to erase some unnecessary plane and line first. Okay, well, we can get this plane, and we can delete some unnecessary line first. Then we can push it until another direction, and we have to push it until this direction. Okay, well, now we can triple click, right click, make group, and make sure that this is a solid group. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl until this position, and then we can select a mirror and click this red. Okay, well, now we can bring this outer line until this guideline, and then now we can click this object and click this subtract. Okay, we can click this object, click this subtract, then we have to delete this. We can click this targeted object. Okay, well, now we can get it. Then we can click this object again. We can then we can select the subtract, and then we can select the targeted object solid group. Okay, well, so we can get the result about it, and the connection about this every single floor. For this is the floor, and this is the floor, so we can get the middle. We can get the middle position for every single secondary skin of this building, for every single floor and slab anyway. Then now we have to make we have to make it unique. Right click and make component and just create. Okay, and then make sure for every single slab is on one component also. Okay, well, now we can click this one, and then we can select a move. Sorry, we have to duplicate this. We have to duplicate the slab first, and then we can click this slab, click move, and press Ctrl. Okay, then we can place on this position, and then we can type x20 for example. Okay, so we can get the height of this building. Now we can click this secondary skin, then we can click this move, and make sure we can move from this point, and then we can move until this point. Okay, then we can type x20 also and enter. Okay, well, now we can get the shape of this for every single floor building of this residential building anyway. Okay, well, now we can make the combination of every single secondary skin, but we have to delete it first. We have to delete for unnecessary guideline, so we can comfortably make it. Okay, then we can click all. We have to click for all of this secondary skin first, and then we can select outer cell. Okay, and just wait, it takes time. Okay, it takes time because I have to appear about the secondary skin wall texture. Okay, we can click and then we can click the smooth of it. Okay, okay, now we can set about the smoothness of for every single secondary skin. Okay, so we get it. We can get the smooth shape of this secondary skin for every single floor of residential or apartment building or hotel building, I mean. Then now we can make the assumption that this is about the core building. This is about the core building that have several elements such as emergency stair and elevator, mechanical, electrical, plumbing system in the middle or in the central of this building. Then now we can make the boxy building here first with using the click from the tab master tool, and then we can click in this position. Then we can do it the same. Okay. Okay, well, now we can make the rectangle. Click from here until this position, and we can move it a little bit to the front for access and circulation. Well, and then we can, or maybe we can just move it on the back side. Oh, okay, then we can push it down. Okay, this is the first floor, and we can set the ground floor is around 8 meter. Okay, well, we can delete some unnecessary guideline, and we can set the height of this rooftop area around 3.5 meter. Okay, well, and okay, now we can also click this face, and then we can click in this position. Okay. Okay, well, then we can click also this face, and then we can drop it down. Okay. Okay, well, and then now we can make it higher than before. Okay, this is a 6 meter for this floor to the ceiling, and this one, I'm sorry, we have to make it group first, and okay, well, we have to make the floor start from the corner until this position, and then we can push it down around 1 meter. Okay, well, triple click, right click, and make group, and then we have to move and place on that position. Okay, we have to place on this position, and now don't forget to make the glasses of the window for every single slab. This is for the glasses area, and we can start make the glasses from here till this position. Then we can offset it inside around typing 10 millimeter. I'm sorry, about 200 or 100 millimeter. Right click and erase for the center plane, and we can push it until down. Okay, we can push it until the down position, until this position, the first floor, I mean. Then we can push it down because it's only the rooftop area. Then now we can triple click, right click, and make group, and now we can set the material of it. We can set the material with using glass and mirror, and now of course we can assign with another material with blue color over there. Okay, Okay, this is a blue color. It's depend on you about the material of it. Okay, and now I will give another scene, another illustration of glass frame with moving here. Then we can type 20 slash and enter. So we can get for every single window door panel is around 2.2 meter. We can click. Then we can type 8 slash. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, then this position. Select move, press Ctrl, then on this position, then we can type 8 slash, and the back area also move and place on this position, and then we can type 20 slash and enter. Okay, well, okay, this is about the illustration about it. Okay, then don't forget to make the glass railing by using this plane, and we can using this plane by click for every single curvy line over there. Okay, and click this curvy line over there, and this line also, or maybe it's doesn't not. Okay, so we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter of the glass thickness approximately, and we can also set this curvy. Okay, we can search for the perfect glass plane over there. Okay, well, now we can select search again, can erase it, then I'm sorry. Okay, you can click and select copy, edit copy, then we can edit paste in place, and we can push it down. We can push it, oh no, sorry, we have to make it more, sorry, we have to, okay, we have to offset it inside again. We have to offset it inside again with using the inner curvy line again over there. Okay, now we have to offset it inside again. We have to offset it inside, and we can offset it inside around 1.5 meter. Okay, well, now we can get the outline of this railing, glass railing. Then we have to offset it inside again around 50 millimeter. So this 50 millimeter value is included with the frame, glass frame anyway. Okay, you can click this one, and then we can Ctrl C or copy, and then we can edit, paste in place. Okay, now we can push it down. We can push it down. Sorry, we have to push it down until this position. Okay, we have to push it down again. Okay, make sure the height of the railing is around. Sorry, if the height of the railing is around 1.2 meter. I mean, it's enough. Okay, and okay, or maybe we can make it more higher. Okay, this one, I mean, it's enough. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group, and then we can select the glass skin. Okay, then we can edit the glass color again, or we can make it clear, just like that. Okay, so I mean, it was beautiful if we can make the different glass frame over there. Okay, then we can make component, create, and then we can select move and press on the sailing. Then we can click on this sailing. Oh no, we can start move and click from this corner. Okay, and then we can click for this corner, click, and then we can type X20 and enter. Okay, so we can get the railing and the main glass element. Okay, then we have to make the ground floor. We have to make the ground floor system over there, and maybe we can make it a large position of it. Maybe we can make the large position over there, or okay, we can make the another abstract. Just feel free to make an abstract object of this ground floor, because the ground floor, I mean, it's more flexible than the residential object. I mean, because the ground floor have no limit of the space, so you can explore more about it. Approximately just like this. I will give you an example of it. Okay, well, and okay, we have to make the curve here again. Okay, now we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it here. Okay, and then we can also make the another additional. Click on this until this position. Okay, approximately we can get this, or maybe we can just move another level. This one, or maybe just this one. Okay, then we can click this one until this position. Okay, this is about the first tower, and we can also make the another element. Okay, we can also make the another element, but we have to make the glasses here first with using this plane, offset it inside. Okay, around 2 meter. Okay, then we can offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Then we can click this plane, Ctrl C. Then we can edit, paste in place, and push it down. Well, triple click, right click, make group, and then we can make the another glasses. Okay, well, and Okay, of course we can also make the duplication again. We can make a duplicate for it. Then we can duplicate the glass because the upper glass is for the aluminum composite panel for the department store approximately with using the metal. Then we can select this one, or maybe we can just select this one and okay, approximately just like that. Then we can select metal again. Okay. So we can make the futuristic design of it. Okay, we can make the futuristic design of this curve. And then we can also make it. And okay, we can continue to make it. Okay, this line, that's all. Okay, well, then we can also make the another tower by select all this tower, and then we can select move and place to this position. Then we can just a little bit rotate it to make it more well planned. Okay. Okay, so we can make the assumption that this is about the twin tower of the design anyway. Okay, well, now we can make the another plane over there. We can make the another plane, and we can select a move for the plane. We can move into this position. Okay, well, we can click this line. We can click this plane. We can click for the outline only. We can click for the outline only. And then we can Control C. Then we can edit face in place. Okay, well, we can offset it outside, just approximately for it, and offset outside again, and just offset it outside again. Offset it inside for this outline. We have to select the outline first. From here. Okay, Control C. Okay, then we can paste in place. Okay, then we can offset it again. So we can make it. Okay, now we can adjust for the connected line over there. We can adjust it to be more beautiful than before. Okay, well, and then we can now separate the landscape with another line over there. Okay, and separate another landscape for several parts. Okay, okay, we got it. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. You can follow my way. You can follow this step to make a beautiful landscape on that high-rise curvy building. Anyway. Okay, well, you have to be patient and carefully about deleting this line, because this line is connected to the another component. Okay. I mean, it was like a circulation and any function of it. Okay, then we can make the another surfaces with the landscaping. We can use any landscape design of it. Well, it's like that. And so the commercial building has a greenery area over there. Okay, and we can also make the another landscaping area in that position using it over there, and we can also make it more landscape over there. And, okay, we can make the asymmetrical landscape to make a more beautiful environment on that project anyway. Then we can also set the side. We can also set the side of this land of this area. Okay, well, right click and we can intersect with the selection. Well, now we can assign. Then now we can set the material with using this one, or maybe the another one, or the another one, or maybe just like that. Then we can set the boundaries again with the landscape material. We can set the boundaries again. Now we can set the boundaries again. Okay, now we can set the boundaries. I'm sorry, we have to move the line first to the another side. Okay, well, can move it to the another side first. Okay, well, so we can click this line, and okay, we can offset it outside around 30 meter. Okay, I'm sorry, it's just 16 meter. So approximately it's about the highway. Maybe. Then we can set the branch of it. We can set the branch of every single for every single road of it. Okay. Okay. Sorry, you can make it extend and make it extend to make it more to make it more realistic or representative about the environment circulation. I mean, okay, then we can set the asphalt. Click, and then we can delete for unnecessary line first. Then we can select asphalt like that, and we can edit the RGB and move it to the left side or right side all. Then we can set the asphalt color over there. Okay, well, now we can make the another element. Okay, we can also set the landscape on the rooftop to make it more look have a lot of green area over there. And okay, we can also set up this landscape in this area with using geometric design of it. With using a geometric design, okay, we can set that one. Okay, this position. Okay, and now we can set the curve with the 2-point arc. Sorry, it was okay. We can set the curve with a 2-point arc, 2-point arc, and 2-point arc. Okay, so it will be a beautiful and smooth landscape on the rooftop look. Because presentation is very important. Presentation of the detail is very important for every single mega project or commercial building. I mean, so you have to win the tender or win the dealing project with just small factor like this. Okay. Okay, so you can set the landscape there, and okay, it's done. And you can also set the another connection for there. I mean, we have to make the another one. Okay, so you can set with the another fence siding. Okay, just like that. Okay, so I mean, it's about the basic landscape development design, because for this large landscape need more circulation about it, so the people can come to the another side without feel so far, and it would help about the circulation. I mean, because it was so important. Okay, well, now we can make the another one on the same direction, maybe this one. Okay, we have to click this one, and then we can make the another beautiful landscape on the rooftop using this design. Or maybe we can just make the long way landscape on this area. We make sure that the landscape is so on the face, and we have to make the curvy edge for every single landscape. Okay, make sure that we can make the curvy edge. Okay, now we can set every single landscape. Then we can set up about the deck. We can set up for the deck position and this position, and set up this position. Okay, we have to pay attention about it. Okay. And it takes time. I mean it takes time because it's a commercial complex project. I mean it's just for basic. It's very basic design. It's very basic design. So you still have to discuss it with the landscaper, with the interior, and many more. And with another people like facade design and many more. Okay, well, I mean it was enough. So we can add the component. We can add the component with the component sampler over there. We can set up for the tree. Okay, we can set up for the tree on the ground. We can make it smaller than before anyway. Okay, well, and then we can select the color of the we can select the color of the every single tree, and then we can it was component. Then we can place on this position to make a greenery. So it need more patience. It need more patience and pay attention about every single placement, because the placement of the tree it will make the more representative and more realistic, even if just concept, but it can help you to achieve the more realistic and representative design. So you can get the atmosphere of this commercial building, about the commercial building living in the environment, in the reality environment. And I mean it was a little bit important. I mean it's a little bit important, even it's just landscape, it's just placement of the tree. I mean it was so important for me. Okay, then we can add more in this position. Can add it more in this position. Okay, well, we can we have to be careful to place this every single we have to be careful for place for every single tree, because it's a long perimeter, because it's about a long perimeter. And I mean, it's not about the greenery, but it's need a pedestrian area. I mean, it's need a pedestrian area and bus shelter. I mean, for this perimeter side of this commercial project. I mean, because the things it's standard and important based on regulation. I mean. Okay, well, now we can make the pedestrian first. We can make the pedestrian first for every single road over there, because the pedestrian area is very important. I mean, okay, okay, we have to select for the all of perimeter over there. Okay, well, now we can offset it inside. For the pedestrian area, it's around 2 meter. It's enough, and we can make the different color of it with using landscaping, and we can use this one. Okay, well, and don't forget to make the disable. Don't forget to make the disable access or disable pedestrian crossing in the middle area of it. So you can learn about the urban design. So you can learn about the urban design also to make a whole commercial building, especially for the mixed-use building. You can offset it again around 800 maybe approximately. Okay, well. Okay, then we can set the another color with this one. I'm sorry. We can set this. Okay, this is for the pedestrian. And don't forget to make the the main access of this building. Approximately in this point, we have to make the access, exit or entrance of it with using the line in this position. Using the line in this position. Okay, well, this is a entrance, and so you can see about it, and so you can see about the exit gate. So you can consider about the exit gate maybe approximately in this position. This is about the exit gate, and then I suggest you to don't forget to set the secondary road. I suggest you to don't forget to set the secondary road of it by clicking this one, by clicking this line. Okay, clicking this line, and okay, maybe it just in this area only. Okay, well, so you have to offset it inside around for the secondary road, maybe around 8 meter. Okay, just setting to the 8 meter, and we can consider the secondary road access. It get this tower. I mean, okay, you can select move, and we can type 8. Okay, well, okay, we can get the curve of it, and then we can get the curve again, and then we can erase it. Okay, and this one, and we can also set for the another access of it, offset it inside around 8 meter. Okay, well, now we can get this one, and approximately about it. Okay, it's just for example, but the principle, we have to make the entrance area, we have to make the secondary road to give the access of the building. Okay, so it was a leak. It was a leak area over there. It was a leak area, so we have to consider about it. It was have a leak area. We have to check it up, and we have to check for every single leak over there. We can check one by one. Okay. It's getting complicated, and it has a leak. Okay, we have to check for every single leak over there. Okay, well, now we can double click, right click, and intersect with the selection. Okay, well, now we can set the secondary road over there, or we can just set the asphalt. We can set the dark asphalt over there, and maybe we can just make the difference asphalt. Okay, well, and okay, we can make the assumption that this is about the exit. This is about the exit. Okay, and this is about the exit area. Okay, well, and this is about the exit area also. Okay, you can see, you can get the line over there, and then we can get this line, and okay, we can set it up. Okay, well, so we can get the two exit of it. Okay, and don't forget to make it okay, well, and we can make the greenery area again for every single road. So it was it was very complex. It's very complex. We have to consider about many aspects. We have to consider about the many aspects. So maybe it will be welcoming. It will be a big welcoming area over there. Okay, this will be welcoming area, and it will be another great landscape. Okay, and okay, we can set for the another greenery again over there. Okay, we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can also make the another building. We can also make the another building component again over there with following this side, and you can push it up. You can push it up again, and we can set it to be like this. Click, make group, and okay, this one you can select the glass over there. Okay. Okay, then we can set the another greenery again. Okay, we can assume that this is about the resto area. Click this one and move it down and make group, and we can draw again. We can draw again for this building, push it up and move it down again. It's just simple. It's just a simple building meshing on here. It's simple, so you can make it more realistic or make it more representative. Okay, so you can make another variation of it. So you can make another variation of it again. Okay, well, so you can set the aluminum. I mean, it was more representative, and you can also set the style of that. You can set the style of this building with this style, and so you can set the metal material. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and so you can try it by yourself in your device, and so you can try to adjust for the shadow position, shadow orientation to make it. You can try to make it, and or if you feel it not good orientation, you can rotate it. Okay, well, so I mean, it was a great orientation of it, so you can only set the orientation of shadow. That's all. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can do it yourself in your device with this with SketchUp, and have a good day, guys.